SpaceX, the company that's been revolutionizing space travel, just experienced a major setback with their latest launch. Let's dive into what happened. In a dramatic turn of events, SpaceX's rocket failed for the first time in nearly a decade. This failure left the company's internet satellites in such a low orbit that they are destined to fall back into the atmosphere and burn up. The Falcon 9 rocket, which launched from California on Thursday night, was carrying 20 Starlink satellites, but just a few minutes into the flight, the upper stage engine failed. SpaceX has blamed a liquid oxygen leak for the malfunction, despite the efforts of the flight controllers who managed to contact half of the satellites and tried to boost them to a higher orbit using their onboard ion thrusters. The satellites were left in an orbit with a low point of just 84 miles above Earth, less than half of the intended altitude. It's unlikely that our maximum thrust can successfully raise the satellites, SpaceX admitted on X, formerly known as Twitter. SpaceX confirmed that the satellites will re-enter the atmosphere and burn up. However, they did not specify when this would happen. Currently, there are over 6,000 Starlink satellites in orbit, providing internet service to customers in some of the most remote corners of the world. The Federal Aviation Administration stated that the issue must be resolved before Falcon rockets can fly again. This incident raises questions about how it might affect SpaceX's upcoming crewed missions. A billionaire's space flight is scheduled for July 31st from Florida, with the first private spacewalk planned, followed by an astronaut flight to the International Space Station for NASA in mid-August. Tech entrepreneur Jared Isaacman, who will lead the private flight, emphasized that SpaceX's Falcon 9 has an incredible track record and also features an emergency escape system. The last time SpaceX experienced a launch failure was in 2015 during a cargo flight to the space station. The following year, another rocket exploded during ground testing. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX, expressed confidence that the high launch cadence would make it easier to identify and correct the problem. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.